Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I'm in my office. I'm back from my wonderful weekend away doing the annual convention for Jordan Essentials, and I was greeted with a lovely surprise. The Jane's Agenda subscription box for August arrived while I was gone, so let's open it together and see what goodies are inside. So stay tuned for more and welcome to my office. I was really excited when I knew that the Jane's Agenda subscription box had arrived, and I have to admit I did dive in and just get everything out of the cellophane packaging so we could really jump in here and just see what goodies await us in this August subscription box. And I am an affiliate for Jane's Agenda, so I will have my affiliate link in the description below, and you can use the code Natasha and get 15% off your first purchase if you're a brand new customer. And otherwise, let's open it up and see. And I'm really excited because this is just such a gorgeous box this month. So as always, there is the little welcome packet that has the card that's going to tell us everything about what's inside. So let me take everything out of the box and we'll dive in. Okay, so we start off with the little subscription box tour card. So let's take a look at this. And it says, this month we pulled out all the stops with a complete mini-sized command center planner featuring 3 sections for all of your on-the-go need-to-know planning. So that's really exciting. I can't wait to get in here and just see what everything is. First off, we have the vegan leather wallet in a watermelon red. And I would say this is, I would call it more of like a dusty rose, but definitely a cute little wallet. I think this is really cute because especially if you have a small purse or you just want something you can tuck in your pocket, then you would have a place for change here, and then of course your ID and a few credit cards, and you could fold some dollar bills in there with your change and have just what you need for on the go. So that is a cute little wallet. Next we have the black quote card, which says Rise and Shine. So we have the 3 quote cards that usually come in the little welcome pack. So there's the Rise and Shine black quote card. Then we have this tour card, which also doubles as a quote card. And on the back, it says, put yourself at the top of your to-do list every day. And I love that. I think that's just such a great reminder. It's really easy to get busy doing everything for everyone else. And it's nice to remember to put ourselves at the top of the list. Then we have the August quote card. So it's a little August calendar, which is a fun little size. And then another quote card that says, it's the little things. And there are these teeny tiny little rose gold mini paper clips, which are so adorable. I have to take them out and just take a look. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. So there are your 3 quote cards and the teeny tiny little paper clips. And just for reference, let's see what a regular paper clip looks like. So those definitely are mini. There's just a standard small paper clip and you've got your 1, 2, 3 little mini paper clips there. So super cute and really nice little quote cards for the August subscription box. And if you clip one on, they look adorable there. I'm just in love with those little mini paper clips. They're so cute. I don't even know where I'm going to put them, but I'm just going to use them on these little quote cards for now, just because why not? They look darling. And I just noticed this is really cool because the theme for the convention I just came back from, the annual Jordan Essentials convention, our theme this year was Rise. So now I have this little card to go with it. So I'm definitely going to be using this along with some of these other quote cards, either around my office here or just in my planners as I go through the month of August. All right, next we have the rose gold mini discs, and they come in this little keepsake pouch. And this does say Jane's Agenda on one side, and this is basically kind of a business card size pouch. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these little rose gold aluminum discs. So I'm really excited to start putting together this little mini planner. I think this is going to be really cute. So for now, I'm going to tuck these in here. That way I've got everything there that I would need for my little planner. And here is a beautiful little dashboard that's going to go in that mini planner, and it says idyllic. And of course it's the vellum with the rose gold script, and then the beautiful floral print there with the roses on both sides. So that is just gorgeous. I'm excited to get this all put together. Then we also have a dashboard with the Baroque architecture, and I think it's cool that you could mix and match. So you could also put that vellum dashboard on top of the Baroque architecture if you wanted to go for that look and the roses weren't your thing, or you just wanted to change it up. So all three of those are some really pretty dashboards to be used in this new planner. And then, of course, what planner is not complete without a few tab dividers? So we have meals and grocery, this week, need to know. And all three of those are a black cardstock, and they're pre-punched and ready to go into that little planner. So those are really cute as well. Then we have the need to know section of this planner. So it's if lost page, at a glance calendar, medical information, and lists. So this would be like the beginning of your planner here. So you have your nameplate page and then your 2022 third quarter and fourth quarter at a glance, which I think these are really efficiently designed. You have holidays at the bottom and enough space that you could write down some upcoming events or highlight things on the calendar. And we also go into 2023. So we have first quarter, second quarter, and so basically it's going to be the next 4 quarters, the second half of 2022 and the first half of 2023. So that makes this pretty versatile. Then we have the medical information page and then just some blank list pages. And it looks like there's 4 sections on each page. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So that's a great first start to the planner that we're building with this little kit here. Then the second set of inserts is the meal and grocery insert set. So we have favorite meals and ideas, meal planning, pantry inventory, and grocery list. So let's see here. There's your favorite meals, breakfast, lunches, snacks, dinners, desserts. And then easy meal planning ideas. So it's got things like proteins, veggies, cooking styles, starches, cuisines, and meal types. So you would just pick a protein, pick a veggie, pick a starch, pick a cuisine, pick a cooking style, pick a meal type. You could kind of just choose one from each category or some from each category and put together a meal. So I think that's a really fun idea. And then we have a monthly meal plan. So this is just a blank little month at a glance planner, and it goes Monday through Sunday across the left-hand side. And they have what would be 5 weeks across the vertical columns. So you could just fill in your little meal plan there. And then on the back, there's a pantry inventory page. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 of those. So it's basically a quarter at a time where you'd have your meal plan on one side and your pantry inventory on the back. Then a grocery list section. So we have refrigerated, produce, frozen, meals, and deli. And on the back it says bakery, health and cosmetics, paper products, pre-packaged, and then it starts over. So there's 1 of those, 2, 10, 11, 12. So you have a dozen of those grocery shopping lists. So another really smartly designed little set of inserts. And I'm excited because I've not done any kind of a meal planner this small. I guess the smallest one that I have is my A5 Erin Condren bound meal planner, which I've kind of not been using over the summer just because we've been doing leftovers or it's just hot and we don't feel like cooking. So we kind of scrounge around in the pantry. So this might be good to sort of just reboot my cooking and my meal planning, especially as we're getting ready to go back into the school season next month. Yikes. I can't believe it's back to school time in a month. And then the final section, which I guess I got these out of order. So the need to know collection is the first insert. Then this week is the second set of inserts. And then the final inserts would be the meals and groceries. So this has 5 category weekly for your family planning, social media posting, tracking, health or habits, etc. So if we flip it open here, the inside cover is blank and then there's a dot grid page. Then we have one of the first set of weekly spreads. So you have Monday through Sunday at the top and a space to write in the date. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows across. And then at the very bottom, there's a little section that says dinner. So basically you could use this to plan out your different categories for each day of the week and have a spot for dinner as well, and then a notes section where it says this week. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those weekly spreads, and then I believe it'll have the dot grid pages, so that's the break for a new month, and then we start back over again. So we have 1, let me see how many sets, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a break, so that's 2 months worth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the back is a dot grid. So you have 3 months worth of those weekly spreads where you can have it categorized down the vertical column. So it's basically a weekly vertical spread with columns, and then the different sections are divided out. And then the final one would be the meals and grocery, like I said. So you'd have those 3 sections. And then we have the mini clear glass planner cover. So this is the mini clear glass planner cover with the permanent ribbon. And I love that about Jane's Agenda, that you can choose to get your covers with a ribbon. So that way, if you do like to close up your planner and keep it all secure, then you'd have that there to close it up. So that's going to be the front and back of your planner. So that's exciting. And then finally, we have bonus matching dashboard set for your regular size planner. So we have the same frosted vellum with the idyllic rose gold script and the floral roses, that dashboard on a cardstock. And then we also have the Baroque architecture in the larger size as well. And again, I just think that's gorgeous either way you do it. And same thing, that is double-sided as well. So I am really excited to get my planner set up for the month of August. I think I'm definitely going to be using this new dashboard set in my A5 planner. That's just my catch-all planner. And then let's go ahead and set up this little mini planner. That's what I'm most excited to try. I've not had a planner this small, so I think this is going to be fun. So first off, we are going to take off the little clear plastic protector there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this front cover as well, so then it truly is that clear glass. And I think there's one on both sides. Feels like it. There, it's a little hard to get it started, but all right, so first I'm going to start by putting on my little rose gold metal mini discs there. Kind of slide those on. And then let's put on the front cover as well. Okay, so now I have the basic planner set up, and we are going to start with the dividers next. Actually, I take that back. We're going to do this beautiful, I think I'm going to do the Baroque at the back. So that'll be kind of the back cover of my planner, and then I'll do these 2 beautiful floral with the idyllic on the front. So that's the front of the planner, and then that's the back of the planner. So pretty. So next, let's get our tabs. So we have Need to Know, This Week, and the Meals and Grocery at the back. So we'll slide that in there. So there is my Need to Know section. This week, and I am going to divide this just so it's not such a big stack. And finally, the Meals and Grocery section. Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous. This little mini planner, and then the little elastic ribbon can go on the top. I think this is beautiful, and I'm so excited to start using it. I think this is going to be a really fun little refreshing planner approach to do. I have never used a planner this small, so it'll be really fun for me just to try it out, kind of see what I think. I think this is really nice just to throw into a small bag or your purse and take it with you, especially with having that meals and grocery list. I do tend to take some kind of a list into the store with me, so I'm excited because this feels like it's a very small thing to carry through the grocery store, but will still be really functional. So that is the whole mini planner that came in the August subscription box, along with the beautiful new dashboards that coordinate, and then of course that little wallet. And let's see, do I want to try to use my little cards? I might do these. So these could be fun. You could just pop one like right here. You could have your August. Look at that. You could have your August calendar page right there, and then these might go with my other planners, and I'll have those as well. But I think that's just such a darling little mini planner. And then you've got the beautiful larger versions to go in your regular planner, plus the wallet. So that is everything that came in the Jane's Agenda August subscription box. I think this is gorgeous, and I believe there is still time to subscribe for the September subscription box. I mentioned in my last unboxing video for Jane's Agenda that the September box is their anniversary box, so I think it's going to be really good, and that they also now have an option where you can subscribe and just get planner covers, and there's lots of options to select on that. So you choose your size, you choose what type of planner you have. So if you're interested, you can just check the description box below, and like I mentioned, don't forget to look for that discount code as well. So thanks for joining me. I hope that was fun for you to see. Have a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.